Here's another episode of real-time construction. Today I'm gonna fix dips again, but dips along the fence. So this is the problem here. As you can see, this part has sunken. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix a patio along the fence where you see big dips. Okay, so there's some there and some over here. You could see them better from this angle. So this guy here, so clearly the gravel is escaping into the neighbors, so it's best to just block it. I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, you will need 2 screwdrivers, a pickaxe, a mallet, and a wheelbarrow. I prefer to use the one with a solid wheel so that you don't have to replace the wheel ever, so that's good. So this is dip number 1, and this will be similar to the previous video. I just have to pop these bricks up with my screwdrivers. As long as I have one out, I can close the opening. So, apologies. As long as I have one out, I can use the pickaxe to pull out the rest. So. You can see here, there's a little bit of washing out of the base. See, it's been escaping. Alright, so we could just fill it in, or we could use some pieces. So it's best to use pieces, I find, in the situations because it blocks the openings. So close to the fence over on this side, I'm going to put some pieces to block the ground from escaping. So this is how I do this. I brought some pieces with me. I'm going to clean some of the base out. I can use a couple of these pieces here. Just nicely block the gravel from going out. And again over here. Okay, and then just gotta fill in between. So just that, pretty easy. So now we stop the gravel from escaping into the neighbor. Alright, once we have it full, go back in. Like that, the dip is almost done. Just gotta use the mallet to bring it back in. So this is the trick I use right here. When the bricks are tight, I tilt them onto one another to form things forward. Another little trick right there. Just like that. So you drop them in together. And it's a tight spot. That way you don't have to cut them, you can just press them in. Here I got a much larger piece that's dipping in. You can see the change or the drop right here. It's gone down almost half an inch. So it's a little bit of a heavy, got to pull out. You need some muscle. So as you can see back here, the gravel has been washing down. So anyway, if you take a look right here, so just gonna fill it in with some pieces to block the gravel from the side. I don't want it to escape because I'm going to stay over on our side. So a little hack, you can do it your own home. Gravel escaping. Just like that. So we really need some gravel, a mallet, 2 screwdrivers, and some muscle. Especially for these big ones. You don't want to for us younger guys, not that young, 35, it's not that hard, but if you do it all day, it gets hard. So, try this. It's a big piece, so it has to come out. A little by hand on the concrete, you see, and make it disappear. So there we go. And back in. So in this situation, this one went in a little bit much higher than I wanted it to. So I got it down. Flat, much better. Okay. Alright. Looking good. One more view of what the gravel has done. I've been trying to escape into the neighbor's side, so we're gonna block it once again. There's one more dip here. And there's a couple more on the other side. Let's see.